Hey guys, welcome to back in this channel. This is my channel. I have been running this channel last 6 months, I think. Today in this video we are going to share a very fantastic and very amazing story what happened with me yesterday. I was talking with my friend, naturally native language. So suddenly he started to talk English language. So then I started to talk with them in English language. I spoke with him English language. So when I started to English language, and then he shocked. Oh my God, your English is fantastic. Your English is very extraordinary. Your English is out in understanding. Your English is remarkable. Where did you learn from this language? How do you learn from this language? For 3 months, you are not able to speak English, but now you are able to speak English language with fluency. What's the reason behind that? Oh my God, really, at the moment I have listened these types of points and words and sentences, I have shocked. Really, I was not able to speak English language last 2 months, but now I may speak English language. Really, again and again I asked him, really, do you feel about my extraordinary? He said, really, believe me, I cannot believe you are speaking English language. You are not joined any English institute. You did not go anywhere. You did not join with any English coaching and any English center. How did you grab this skill? Just speaking. Whatever I'm doing mistake, that is no matter. Absolutely, this is a second language. That is not my native language. Absolutely, I will become a mistake in this language. That is no matter. But I'm doing practicing. I'm doing practicing. Just I'm doing practicing. I did not give up. I did not skip any single day. But now, how do you feel about me? Can I teach you? Can I transform yourself? Can I develop yourself? Can I provide you English content or not? Please just tell me in the comment box. Why did you feel? How do you feel after listening my English communication skill? I know you are not capable to appreciate me. You are not admire me. You are not motivate me. You are not encourage me because I'm not your friend. I'm not your brother. Really, don't forget to appreciate me because that is all over my hard work. Everything I have achieved from myself. No one can help you. No one can help me. Everything I have achieved. Everything. I did not go any day any coaching, any day any English institute. Everything I have learned from myself. But now I'm practicing. I'm continuously, I'm consistency, I'm doing practicing. So that's why I'm able to speak nowadays like this level. Okay, so I think after 6 months, I can express my all thought, what is happening in my mind, what is going in my head. Everything I will share you. But now, tell me something about myself. Tell me something about my English. So, can I satisfy you? Can I develop you? Can I motivate you? Can I transform you or not? Can I teach you or not? Absolutely, I can do that. So, do you have passionate about English? Do you have an ego? Definitely, and make sure you can join with me and you can practice with me. Together, we will develop our English communication skill. If you have a choice that, make sure you can come with me and we will improve our English together. Don't worry, I will help you. I will assist you. I'm not saying about myself I'm very handsome person. I'm very best version. I'm not saying that. Just I'm small. I had started. At the moment, many people say, oh, you're talking English. Wow, where will you go? You want to go to abroad and America and Australia? Why you learn English? At the moment, sometime I have failed nervousness and hesitation. But nowadays, I'm not feeling any kind of issue, any kind of nervousness, any kind of fear of public, any kind of glossophobia. But alhamdulillah, summa alhamdulillah, I'm talking with confidently. Even I'm doing any kind of mistake, that is no matter. But continuously and consistency is a matter. If you have a consistency to practice, so definitely your English will be boost. So one thing now I will tell you, then I will collab this video. If you want to improve your English, just practice. No matter with whom you are practicing, that is no matter. Just practice and practice. I will say again, just do practice. And then one day you cannot recognize you cannot realize you are here. 6 months back you were there, but now you are here. Your English will boast. Every person will be salute you. Oh my God, your English is a very fantastic. Can you train me? Can you teach me? But now I'm providing, I'm offering you. You will not have to pay any single rupees. So now we are going to wind up this session, and as soon as possible I will meet you, I will connect to you. So thanks so much for clicking this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care yourself.